Hey guys, and welcome back to JT Biz, where we talk to you about creating financial freedom through creating multiple streams of income and basically creating a life by design, which means creating a life that you love. So if you're into that, definitely subscribe to the channel. And before we start today's video, we're actually going to discuss the fact that the course is launching on Friday. It's finally here. We're really excited. We can't wait to teach you guys. It's Etsy print on demand. So it's the method that we use to create the earnings that we're going to show you in the computer very shortly. And it's called Etsy Sales Mastery. So if you do want to get 50% off of the course before it launches, just click the link in the description, make sure to sign up for the waiting list, and then you will be registered. It's only a 5-day sale as well. After the 5 days pass, then the course price will shoot right back up. So
take advantage
definitely.
while you can. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, you guys have been asking us how much money can you possibly earn on Etsy? Is Etsy profitable? People like to talk about Amazon and Shopify. They don't really talk too much about Etsy earnings, so we're going to be doing that today, and I'll see you inside the computer. You can decide for yourselves if it's worth it. Okay, so this is actually our back end of our Etsy shop. We only have one at the moment,
More
and
to come, definitely.
definitely add more shops in the future. So yeah, it says it says March 2018 to June 2019. We actually started in April, so I'm not sure why it's going back that far, but that's okay. And yeah, as you can see, our total revenue is right here.
So about 49K. Sales have really kind of dipped during the because it's more of a seasonal kind of product that we sell. So things kind of dip during the warmer spring months and during the summer months. So we expect that it's going to be a little bit slower. That's why also we want to have another shop to kind of offset the out of season kind of sales that we're having right now. But yeah, we expect big things for quarter 4 and quarter 3.
Yeah.
So.
You do have to keep in mind that this is our amount with kind of minimal efforts. Like, I know that T is regularly putting products up. I have actually backed away from the Etsy shop, unfortunately, to work on the blog and to try to grow the YouTube channel as well. We have other shops online as well. We do Shopify and Amazon. So this is just a single stream of income, guys. And this is about, a little over a year's worth of money that we've made. And to keep in mind, this is only the money on the front end as well. Etsy does not account for the back end money that you earn. So like money with shipping, if you add a little bit of money to your shipping fee, just to kind of make sure you don't lose, or if you just want to add a little or earn a little bit more profit on that end, it does not include that. So we have actually done more than this, but yeah, it's not bad. I would say it's one of our most profitable stores online.
It's definitely the most consistent
Mm-hmm.
as well. You know, we can always expect at least like lowballing it, 3.5K a month at least. So it's a pretty consistent stream, which is good.
Yeah, and that's only during like the slower periods, like I said, like third quarter, fourth quarter are really big for us. That's when we make the majority of our money. That's when we have our like 10K plus months. So we can't wait for basically for third quarter is coming like October. No, September. September is coming up. Yeah, so we always tell people too, you don't want to be starting your store in like fourth quarter or something.
Yeah, that can only be stressful, like crazy stressful. If you're just deciding what products or which supplier you're going to be using for your
Oh no.
products, and it's come like to the end of October and early November. I don't know. I wouldn't be able to handle that.
No, that's crazy. Everyone else who is ready will be like when you stay ready, you don't got to get ready, right? Everyone
That's
who's ready will be making their sales.
Yeah.
So,
That's the importance of optimizing before fourth quarter
yes.
and third quarter even. Optimizing your store during second and third quarter in preparation for fourth quarter.
Exactly. So now
Yeah.
would be a really good time to start Etsy if you don't have an Etsy shop. And if you don't know like what you'd possibly sell on Etsy, we've got an amazing print on demand method that works for us. This is how we got, our 49K plus. So But yeah, like someone had asked us what our earnings were to date. I guess they're probably debating getting the course. And guys, I totally understand. Like, I used to be in that position where I would learn about a new method online to make money, and I'd be like, well, how much is the person telling me this stuff earning? Like, is this real? How much do they make? You know what I mean? And it can be inspiring, definitely. But I feel like it kind of, like, now that I'm on the other side, I realize how useless it kind of is to know this information, because there's stores that we've seen that do our same method, print on demand, and they make so much more than us, you know, like, and you know how they did it, but it's just like like these numbers don't matter at all.
Browsing through Etsy, and we will probably got do this with you guys. We'll probably have to do this with you guys eventually, on a live or something like that. But if you go through different stores, you're able to estimate how much that store has done, and then you just see like how much more money there is out there, how much more opportunity there is out there. So it's just like our numbers, like, don't distract yourself with this because so much more is possible. But
Yeah, you can make a full. There are stores that are $1 million stores, and I come across, you know, stores that earn 100K, like hundreds of K a year. Yeah, there's way bigger stores than this. Income replacements possible with Etsy. On top of that, I wanted you guys to consider like what this sort of income can do for you. You know, like for us, earning an extra, let's just say it was only 49K that we earned, you know, minus expenses and stuff. That was able to clear up our credit card debt. And that had stayed on us for years. And we did this in a matter of, like I said, like this is a year and a little bit now, right? So it's been life-changing income. Don't look at the numbers. Think about like how much money you need to like change your life. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys, and I hope that helped you to maybe consider Etsy as a viable option for making money online. It's not all about just Shopify and Amazon, even though people only talk about those most of the time. Etsy's in the game too.
yeah, guys, so we just want to reiterate that all this and more is possible for you. So that's about it for now, guys. If you have any questions or anything like that, make sure to comment below and we'll address them. Also, feel free to even email us too. That's on our mailing list. That's where a lot of questions are coming through too. But otherwise, we'll see you next time.
So guys, before I let you go, I wanted to say one really brief thing. If you're enjoying this video, if you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy just the content on our channel, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like the videos that you like give it a thumbs up, because it does help our analytics. It helps us to understand like what you guys want to see more of, and yeah, it helps us to like just kind of know what kind of content to continue to create. And also leave comments. Like if you guys have any questions about business, you're struggling, I can always help you in several different areas. If you are struggling with anything, leave your questions, leave your comments. Just make sure to send love to the channel when you're enjoying the content. And yeah, that's really much appreciated. And also, you know, thumbs up this video if you're liking the new digs too, because this is our basement and it's really cozy. We've been experimenting with different places to like do our videos. All right, that's enough rambling from me. Don't forget to join the mailing list. The course launches on Friday, and we can't wait to see you guys inside. Have an awesome night.